Lagom is a key component of Scandinavian style. But what is it, and how can we use it to create a minimal yet warm and inviting home? That's the subject of today's video, so let's jump in. Hi everyone, Liz here. Welcome to Balance and Rhythm. Thanks so much for joining me today to talk about the Swedish philosophy of Lagom. Lagom is a Swedish word that means not too much, not too little, just right. It's all about moderation and living a balanced lifestyle. Lagom embraces living life at a slower pace and enjoying the present moment through mindfulness and simple pleasures. It values moderation and conscious consumption and steers clear of clutter and wastefulness. Using the philosophy of Lagom to create our homes produces spaces that are functional, practical, and beautiful. So here are some ways to create a Lagom-inspired home. The first and the starting point for any successful minimalist design is to clear the clutter. Hoarding causes many negative emotions, leading to a less satisfying life and makes spaces more difficult to keep clean. The goal is to own a moderate amount of items and only those that are useful and beautiful. A very Lagom thing to do is to make sustainable choices by working with what you have, buying secondhand, and upcycling items to give them a second life. The basis of a home infused with Lagom is a minimal Scandi design. Not too bare, but not too fussy, neither overly minimalist nor overdone. A relaxing atmosphere is created by choosing quality items to create a simple and understated space that is minimal but exudes a natural warmth and comfort. Incorporate practical furniture with a balance of modern and vintage pieces, with enough space around them so that the room feels spacious and each piece's practical but beautiful form can be appreciated. Natural light during the day is replaced by soft lighting at night in a warm color temperature. Some of my favorite products from IKEA, Sweden's most famous export, are their beautiful, practical, and affordable light fixtures. I have several of the lamp you see behind me, and they give off a really beautiful eye-level glow. This model is no longer available, but they have several that will give the same effect, as well as many other great choices in every category. The Scandi color palette is neutral and pared down with a balance of warm and cool. Swedish style is very bright with lots of white and light gray walls, giving it a cool, light, and airy feel, while wood tones ground the space and provide a warm balance. Color is used in the form of light neutrals like beige, light browns, and earthy pastels for furniture, furnishings, and accessories. In addition to wood, other natural materials and fabrics, like cotton, wool, and jute, are used to bring in warmth and texture. And greenery in the form of flowers, plants, and herbs further round out the textural feel and brings the essence of the beautiful Swedish outdoors in and satisfies our innate desire for connection to nature. For more on Scandi style and minimalist design, check out these videos. And if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to be the first to know about new videos. Also, leave me some comments about this video or any of my other ones. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.